Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to resize an image in Canva. Let's get started. There are two methods you can use. The first one is quite straightforward. Simply click on the uploaded image, and then you'll observe that by moving to the corners, you can easily resize it by dragging it out. Now, if you're going to do this, make sure you have a really big image in the first place, because if it's a really small one, it's probably going to get all blurry and pixelated. But this is just giving you an example about a very easy way that you can do it. Let me delete this. Let's go back over to the same one and move it here. Here's going to be the second way. I'm going to click on this. If I right-click, we can set the image as the background. Now, this is going to be Canva Pro. Canva Pro does come with a free 30-day trial, so this is going to be just a feature. With that, what you want to do is resize. With this, what it's going to do is actually resize the actual design you have. That's the reason why we made it the background, because when it's the background, it can be made either smaller or bigger. Now click on Resize in Magic Switch and click on Custom Size. So obviously you would type in what you want to do for your custom size. I'm going to keep this so it keeps the aspect ratio like 1280 by 720. But let's say I want it to be like 1920 by 2034 pixels. We can copy and resize, which means Canva will create a new document with the resized image. This is useful if you want to preserve the original image size in a separate file while working with a resized version. Let's compare the original image with the resized one to see the difference. As you can see here, that's a very quick tutorial on how to resize an image in Canva. This tutorial provided two simple methods to achieve this task. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.